Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the frozen or unresponsive screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If this screen is frozen and you cannot do anything, if it's stuck, then you can perform the force restart in order to turn on the device once again. So pretty much restart the device. In order to do this, we need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button together at the same time. And we need to hold it for approximately 10 seconds. So this is what you're gonna do. So press and hold, and then keep holding it until the screen turns completely black. Once it turns black, like so, then we can release both buttons. And now we need to wait for the device to turn itself back on. We don't need to press and hold the power button. We don't have to do that. We need to simply be patient and wait, because the device should turn itself back on after a couple of seconds. And there we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!